Okay, let's make us another Ford pickup truck key. First, let's decode it. So we are going to use our 3D Elite. Let's put this in the jaw. Once the key is in the jaw, let's flip that. Now we are going to trace this key. Let's see what happens. Here's what we're doing, is finding out the cuts, finding out the depths of the cuts. Now it's all done. If we did it right, it will give us the numbers on the cuts. It will also give us the key code. Boom. Everything looks good there. Let's go ahead and pull this key out, and let's go ahead and put our new key in. So I have already checked to see if this key works the vehicle, which it does. We now got the new key in. Let's go ahead and shut our lid. Let's go ahead and press cut. Are you sure? Yes, we are. Let's go ahead and fire this up and watch what happens here. First it will cut the shallow cuts, now it'll cut the deeper cuts. One side down, let's flip the key over and put it in the other side. The key is now flipped over, let's go ahead and cut again. And there we go. The 3D Elite has the key cut. Let's take the key to the vehicle and try it. See if it works. Insert it in. Boom. Works like a champ. Let's try it in the ignition. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and plug in our 608. We have our key in the ignition. Let's turn it on. And let's go ahead and start finding the vehicle. We want to do an automatic selection. We want to read the VIN, that way everything lines up. Okay. We know this is a Ford F-150. We know this is 11 through 14, and it is a blade key. This might make us wait another 10 minutes on this vehicle. We want to do a hot function. We want to add a key. Go ahead and start. This will not erase any keys, okay? Insert the key in the ignition to be learned. Let's take this key out. Let's put this key in. And hit yes. And is it going to be 3 to 10 minutes? Yes. This one will take 10 minutes. 3 to 10 minutes. I will be back. Bummer. Okay, we're coming to the end of this program. And then I'll show you. Here we go, executing. 3 keys learned. Boom, cycle, good to go. Do we want another key? No. So, first thing we're going to do, we'll pull this key out. Let's check this. Remote does not work. Let's make sure it starts. The security light is off. The truck starts. So I'm going to go back to the old key, which it doesn't really matter. And now I'm going to cycle this for the remote 8 times. On the 8th time, the door locks should cycle. So let's listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. So we're going to push any button on our remote. Let me turn this down. Any button on our remote within 20 seconds here. Boom. That works. Let's try this.